In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Haram filter on Instagram. And when you have the filter on Instagram, you can go ahead and record a video and then use it on any other social media that you would like. So let's get straight into it. What you need to do is go to the stories feature of Instagram, and you can do that by tapping on your little story circle there at the top or swiping to the right on the home screen. And once you're on this page, you can see all the different effects at the bottom. You just want to scroll all the way to the right, and then that'll bring you to the browse effects option. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you want to tap on the search magnifying glass at the top right of the screen. And then in the search bar, you just want to type the number 7, and then you want to go to the special characters on your phone and then just use that squiggly line. I'll link this up in the description so you can just go ahead and reference it from there. But you want to tap on that 7 universal one with that lady. Tap on that second option. And this is the filter right here, and you can go ahead and save it by tapping on that little save button there next to the share button, or you can go ahead and try it from here. So if this video helped you out, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.